I'm Will from Trico Products Australia. Are your wipers squeaking or smearing across your windscreen even though they might not be that old? One of the more common causes of this is a build-up of friction on your windscreen. Now this can occur as road grime builds up on the windscreen or as liquid waxes pass over the screen as a car moves through an automatic car wash. Now the best way to fix these bad wiper manners as a result of friction buildup is to clean your windscreen with a high quality, ammonia-free automotive glass cleaner. Now Trico Products makes a glass cleaner called Trico Vision Glass Cleaner. It's specifically formulated to remove buildups of road grime and waxes from the windscreen of your vehicle. Now if you do have bad manners on your wipers, we very strongly recommend giving this a try first, and this might save you an early replacement of your blades. Now apart from great quality glass cleaners and windscreen washer additives, Trico makes some of the highest quality wiper blades on the planet. They're trusted by original equipment manufacturers and mechanics worldwide, so give them a try on your next wiper changeover.